Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to auto-remove silence in video on Capcut. So make sure to stick around to the end in order to get all the steps and succeed in doing this. So say we have a video that we want to remove the silence, all we need to do is to go over to the video like so, and then we have captions. So we're going to look at the bottom here, we have some options and click on captions, and then we're going to have this pop-up where we can select some options. For example, the first thing we want to do is to select where the audio is coming from, either from the video or a voiceover. In this case, we have it from a voiceover. And then we also have the language. We're going to select the language. You could decide to have it as auto, but since we know it's English, we're going to leave it at English. And then you're going to look at the option here, identify filler words. So we're going to tap on this to toggle it on. And then the next thing to do is to generate. So we're going to tap on generate. And as you can see, it's currently generating captions and identifying pauses. Now, after that has been done, you can see here the details. So we have the first one where it has some text, and you can see that this is basically an analysis of your audio. Now, the next thing to do is to click on delete the 3 clips because it identified 3 clips. However, you need the Pro version of Capcut in order to do this. So if you have a Pro, all you need to do is to click on delete 3 clips, and then it's going to take care of all of the silence and the filler words. So this is how to remove silence in video on Capcut.